How to cancel items on Temu. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily cancel items on your Temu app. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right in. The very first thing you need to do is open up your Temu app and make sure that you are logged into your account. So once you are on your home page and you are logged in, you will just head over to your orders tab. And for that, you're just going to tap on the U section at the bottom right corner. And then from here, you have an option for your orders. So just tap on your orders. And here you will find all of your orders, and there are different categories as well, so you can find the ones that are processing right now, or if you want to see the review of the product that you already have delivered, then you can find those in these tabs. So all you have to do is head over to the processing tab and find the order that you want to cancel, and if you're not able to find it, you can click on can't find your order, and then from here, you can just click on the order that you want to cancel. You'll have an option that says cancel right there, but you will have to provide the reason why you want to cancel the order. And then once you do that, you can select your refund method. It could be Apple Pay, your PayPal account, or anything. And once you do that, your order will be canceled and you will get notified about it. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.